Foreign investors losing confidence in Chinese equities, with net investment inflows set to plunge to an 8-year low. The Financial Times says that more than 3/4 of foreign funds flowing into Chinese equities in the first 7 months of the year have left. Now, the sell-off steepening in recent months amidst a continuing property slump and disappointing growth readings. Despite Beijing's efforts to shore up confidence in the world's second-largest economy, global investors have dumped more than $25 billion worth of shares. The Financial Times calculates that net foreign inflows to Chinese equities have tanked 77% to just $7.7 billion. Now, that's from a peak of nearly $33 billion in early August. Analysts say investors have grown wary of China's repeated pledges to boost growth. And that's because the massive property sector, which accounts for about a quarter of the economy, continues to languish despite such promises. Financial institutions are turning instead to other Asian markets such as Japan, India, and South Korea. Singapore, however, is more optimistic about China's recovery. Health Minister Ong Ye Kung says that there's still much room for economic growth in China once it overcomes its current downturn. Speaking at a forum in Beijing today, Mr. Ong says that if China can address challenges in areas that include its real estate sector, there's no reason to be downcast about the outlook of the world's second-largest economy. Olivia Seong with this report.
China's economy is currently facing headwinds, but Singapore's Health Minister Ong Ye Kung said its situation is different from Japan in the 1980s, when the Japanese property bubble burst and its population was aging. Unlike Japan, whose GDP was higher than the United States then, China's per capita income today is only about a third of America's. That means there's more room for growth.
中国接下来如果能减少对房地产业的过度依赖， 促进国内开销、国内消费、投资和发展科技领域，并且继续推进改革开放的策略，人们没有理由对中国未来经济的发展感到沮丧。到了2030年，中国很有可能成为全球最大的经济体。
Barring any geopolitical mishaps and if peace can be maintained, Mr. Ong said this may result in a new reality.
这将是一个全球化、相互连通的多极世界。美国相信还会是领先的超级大国，中国将是另一个最主要的战略和经济支柱，而欧盟、印度、日本等也会继续扮演重要的国际角色。 全球的经济中心将移向亚洲，在亚洲各个经济体更紧密的融合，各国之间会频繁、活跃地进行经济、文化和人文交流，也会与亚洲以外的经济体建交关系。
Mr. Ong was speaking at the Singapore-China Forum in Beijing, organized by 联合早报, where the challenges facing youths in both countries were in focus. To shape a better future in what he said was a promising new world, especially in Asia, Mr. Ong called on young people to have a strong sense of curiosity and an open mind while holding on to one's own cultural identity, also while fulfilling the responsibility of their generation. Olivia Seong, CNA, Beijing.